I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel the auto-renewal on your Paramount subscription, follow these steps to ensure it is done correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount website and log into your account using your credentials. This is where you allow manage your subscription settings. Step 2. Access subscription settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for a section labeled subscription or billing. This is where you can find your current subscription details. Step 3. Find auto renewal option. In the subscription settings, locate the auto renewal option. It may be a toggle switch or a checkbox that indicates whether auto renewal is enabled. Step 4. Disable auto renewal. Switch off the auto renewal option. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to ensure your changes are saved. Step 5. Check confirmation email. After disabling auto renewal, check your email for a confirmation message from Paramount. This ensures that your request has been processed. If you don't see it, double check your spam folder. I hope this helps you manage your Paramount subscription smoother. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.